Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a PDF file. So very simple and basically you can create a PDF file for any website. Just you have to open any browser. Here search any website. Now click on this three dots and here click on print. Destination guys you have to select save as PDF. You can customize and change some more settings. Then click on save. Give any name and save it. Another option, open your office like Word, then click on save as. Select location where you want to save as type, select here PDF. Then save it. So there are some more methods you can create a PDF file. You can convert your image or text file into PDF. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.